Come test drive this 2010 Ford F-150. A 5.4-liter V8 engine pairs with a sophisticated 6-speed automatic transmission, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Four-wheel drive allows you to go places you've only imagined. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a rear step bumper, remote keyless entry, and much more. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 4 well-positioned speakers. Passenger security is always assured thanks to various safety features such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control stands out as a technologically savvy innovation, keeping you better connected to the road. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.